Action words. What are we learning? Today we are going to learn about action words called verbs. We will practice recognizing them in our reading and look at how to use interesting verbs to improve our writing. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone or something is doing. Alex dances well. The fish swim in the sea. The choir sing beautifully. I relaxed on the beach. Cyril is chatting on the phone. Can you think of any other verbs? Go around the class and see how long you can make a verb chain before you run out of words. Below are some of the things I can do. They are all verbs. Sort the words on the following slide into verbs and not verbs. Click on each word to send it to the correct place in the table. The verb is the most important word in a sentence. It tells us what is being done in the sentence. The verb dancing tells the reader what the subject of the sentence, Alex, is doing. Here is a very interesting exercise for you to do. Pause the video and try to do it. Now let's learn some verbs with pictures. Fred is reading his book slowly. The vicious bear growled. The mouse nibbled the cheese. Charlie ran as fast as lightning. Lucy posted a letter to her friend. When writing, it is important to use interesting verbs to make our sentences clearer and more exciting for the reader. The mouse ran away. Becomes. The mouse scurried away. By changing the verb ran to scurried, the reader has a clearer picture of the action of the mouse and the sentence becomes more interesting. Can you match up the verbs with similar meanings on the following slides? Read the sentence on each slide and replace the verb with a more interesting one. Imran vanished from inside the haunted house. The baby hurled her teddy out of the pram. The stack of plates crashed to the floor. Please. Help me. I screamed. Jerry grinned from ear to ear. Underline the verb in each sentence.